Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joe Chavez. Welcome to MachineStation, where we buy, sell, and trade CNC machinery of all kinds. Today we have a Takisawa TC-4 for you guys. Couple of key features: 10-station turret, 12-inch chuck, Fanuc control, does come with a chip conveyor, long bed lathe. I'll go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down for you below like always. If I do miss anything, feel free to let me know, but why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. So we do have a short program for you guys. We're gonna at least run the machine. Here's this close-up of the control. Fanuc OT control. Machine seems to be in pretty good condition. I don't have really too much space for here, but let me try to get a perspective on how long this machine is. There's the tailstock. Looks like the turret does have some tooling. The chuck does come with some jaws. There's a tool presetter. We did repaint this machine. There's a chuck one more time. We'll just do a run around again on the inside here. Get you a good look. Tailstock, turret, and the control. There you have it, guys. That's the Takisawa TC-4. If you want to see anything else, pictures, photos, feel free to let me know. If I miss anything, I'll do my best to, try to work with the space that we have. Feel free to, if you want to quote, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. Or for more information, visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, if you enjoy the video, you like this machine, feel free to leave a comment. Drop a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching, guys.